As far as I can remember, I've been a big fan of linen.
Linen has been one of my most favorite fabrics since a very, very long time.
The quality of fabric that they make is fabulous.
This is the best quality of linen.
So it just blended it with my personality perfectly.
I buy all my fabric from there.
I'm happy working with Linen Clubs.
Love the feel and the fall of the fabric.
That's where the magic is.
Since the time I could afford good fabric, good clothes, I've been a fan of linen. Earlier days, I remember only importers used to have linen from Italy and all that. Used to be very expensive. But for the last 15, 17 years, I've been wearing linen, and I just love the feel and the fall of the fabric. It is perfect for hot summers. You can wear it, and the colors are so vibrant, so nice. Ever since pink has become the new black, more so, it's become a choice with me. Whether it's half jackets or full suits or just trousers in the summers, when you're sweating, and the wrinkled look just goes perfect with the sportsman's image also. I'm not worried about too many creases and everything. So it just blended it with my personality perfectly. Living in Delhi, it gets only cold for about 2 months. So you can wear linen at least for 10 months a year. And now the linen has come with blended with wool also now. And thanks to Linen Club, it just opened a variety of options with the colors and the different blends you get, and the price factor also. So it's become affordable, and in the last 4-5 years I've seen it just exploding everywhere you look around, whether it's parties in the evening or even in the workplace, in offices you go, even bankers are wearing linen suits now. So I think it's just everybody has woken up to it, that it's a fabric which looks good on you, and it doesn't make you very hot under the collar, and even if few wrinkles get in, that's the part and parcel of being in a linen suit or something. So I think the Linen Club has been my favorite, and whenever I'm looking for a suit, I would rather go there, because the variety of colors and choice of fabrics, whether you want a light one or a heavy one or a blend, is always there.
Linen has been one of my most favorite fabrics since a very, very long time. I mean, I'm talking about even before I had started designing, or as a consumer, I used to wear, and since, I mean, at that point of time, this was about almost 22 years ago, not many people knew about linen. I mean, we used to travel abroad and buy very expensive shirts, and because it's the texture, the feel, the way it crushes, and then the way it falls, it gives like a natural crushed look. Extremely thankful to Linen Club, which popularized the fabric in India, because a lot of people, as I said, didn't know about linen, and even if they saw, they didn't like it because it used to crush, and nobody likes crushed clothes. But then slowly, as the popularity of linen increased throughout the country, and the awareness increased, people also learned that this is the best quality of linen. The more crushed it is, the nicer it looks. And I think one of the most wonderful qualities of linen is that it looks good on all kinds of body weights. It looks good on very fat people also, it looks good on medium also, and it looks good on very slim people also. So it's and I think Linen Club is the variety that it has. I mean, I buy all my fabric from there, and come summer, and when I have to make a collection, the first fabric that comes into my mind is linen. And the variety of linen we get there at the Linen Club, the variety of color choices we have, textures and everything, it just solves most of our problems. I hope that Linen Club continues to give us more variety and everything, and hope to have a great working relationship in the future, and for it to grow, because it has been growing, and I hope it continues to grow.
As we all know, linen was basically an apparel fabric, high end of the natural fiber, I would say, and all the good brands were consuming this fabric. But very recently in our business, we've been able to sell this fabric into the home furnishings, and it has been very well received by our European and the American retailers who we cater to. The Linen Club has played a very important role in helping capture this market with the quality of fabric that they make. It is extremely good quality, high-end fabric that they make, which has been well received by topmost retailers across the world who are actually buying this linen fabric out of Belgium and Italy. So it all says it by itself. Linen Club produces fabric better or at par to what the mills around the globe are doing. My recommendation to Linen Club is our demand is increasing on this fabric. We would want you to put in more capacities on wider width fabric and start processing this fabric in-house. We would want them to increase the capacities to cater to the needs. I also want to thank the team of Linen Club. They've been very flexible. They've been very understanding. I wish everybody a lot of success, which would anyways come back to them because of the quality of fabric that they make is fabulous. Good luck to everybody.